Hey, small business owners, are you looking to grow your car detailing service and get more customers? If you answered yes, here are some simple steps to help you bring in more local car detailing customers. Let's jump in. First, leverage word of mouth marketing. Ask your happy customers to spread the word and refer their friends or family. Offer a discount on their next detail if they send someone your way. Next, make the most of social media. Post pictures of your best work and share tips about keeping your vehicle clean. Running a giveaway or promotion can also help get attention and build up your social following. Don't forget to list your business on Google My Business. This will help you show up when people search for car detailing near me. Ask your customers to leave reviews. The more reviews, the better your chances of being found. And don't forget to respond to the reviews as well, whether they're negative or positive. It shows your customers that you value their feedback. And lastly, have a website, of course. A website makes it easy for customers to find you, see your services, and even book appointments. If you don't have one yet, be sure to check out Marty's site. It's only $9 a month, and there is a free trial available for 7 days. You don't even have to put your credit card details in, so be sure to click on the link below this video to get started. Websites on Marty's sites. It makes it easy and affordable way to get listed online. Start following these tips and you'll see customers booking car detailing services in absolute no time. Happy detailing, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give me the thumbs up. Check out our other videos. You'll find loads of valuable information on marketing your small business. All the best.